How to access TikTok shop. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside the profile section, tap on the three-line icon, then select settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on report a problem. And just like so, once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom again, then tap on chat with us. And just like so, inside here, go ahead and type in report a problem. Once it is done, you'll be able to get submit a ticket button. Tap on submit a ticket, and just like so, in the description box, you want to go ahead and type in the message to TikTok support. You can go ahead and write, I am currently missing the TikTok shop option on my account. I need this to be fixed for me. Please get back to me as fast as possible. Once done, you want to go ahead and tap on submit, and once you are done submitting the ticket, wait for the reply. That could be minutes, hours, or day or two. And just like so, check your support tickets to monitor TikTok response. And just like so, you will then be able to access TikTok shop. TikTok shop does not magically shows up, so don't panic. Just submit a formal bug support report and TikTok support has to manually fix it for some accounts. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.